Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Explore the future of pharmacy with NowRx. Tired of long waits at the pharmacy counter and confusing prescription instructions? NowRx offers a seamless and modern approach to managing your medications. Their innovative online platform simplifies refills and provides personalized support, ensuring you have the medications you need when you need them. Forget the hassle of traditional pharmacies. With NowRx, you can order refills online, schedule convenient deliveries, and even consult with pharmacists from the comfort of your home. They leverage cutting-edge technology to streamline the entire pharmacy experience, offering same-day delivery and proactive medication reminders. Experience a smarter way to manage your health with NowRx. Visit their website at nowrxdemo.webflow.io to learn more and take control of your prescriptions today. They offer a variety of services tailored to meet your individual needs, from prescription management to personalized consultations. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of traditional pharmacies and embrace the efficiency and convenience of NowRx. Experience a higher standard of pharmaceutical care, focusing on patient well-being and personalized attention. Discover how NowRx can simplify your life and improve your health management journey. With their user-friendly platform and dedicated team of professionals, you can rest assured that your medication needs are handled with the utmost care and precision. Don't hesitate, visit nowrxdemo.webflow.io and discover the NowRx difference. Experience the future of pharmacy today. They're committed to providing exceptional service and making medication management a hassle-free experience. Take the first step towards a simpler, more convenient approach to healthcare with NowRx. Your health is their priority,